Okay guys, our skill this week for reading is sequencing, and I know we've done some stuff with that before, so I want to do an activity with you. I'm going to assign you a seesaw activity, and in that activity you're going to be required to write down and give directions on how to make something. Now you don't get to choose yourself what you're going to make. You're going to give me directions to make. Here are your clues. A peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So you need to be using your sequencing words, and if you're not able to remember those, here's a reminder. Some of them would be after, before, first, next, then, finally, those kind of words. And you also should be using the notes in Seesaw. There's a notes when you go to the green plus sign. There's notes there, and you can type in how to do it. Now, I would suggest that when you do this, you write it down on some paper first, and then type it in to me. Would rather you didn't send it to me on paper because I won't be able to read it all. It's too hard to see all your words. So write it on scratch paper first, and then have someone practice doing it to see what you've left out. For example, you don't want to get a butter knife, because then I'm going to write back to you, what do I spread the peanut butter with, my finger? So practice it with someone. Have them follow the directions first, and then type it down in the notes and send it to me. And it might take you a little while, but that's your reading assignment this morning. I don't want it to say, number 1, do this. Number 2, I don't want it numbered, so don't number it. I want you to write it in like a paragraph. First, you need to get all your materials. That might be an example. And then you say what you need to get. But I don't want it written in number 1, number 2, number 3. If you do that, I'm going to send it back to you, and I'm not even going to read it. I want you to write it like it's a paragraph that someone is reading. Okay? So that's your reading assignment today. All right? Have fun. Look forward to seeing what kind of jelly you're adding. See you later.